Live from New York. Go ahead and talk.
Brothers. Back at you.
Yeah, you go ahead and talk. I don't know if they can hear you there if they got my microphone. Hey, if you hold your microphone close to your mouth, people can hear me. It's a new thing.
Okay, that's what I hear. That's what I hear.
Your brother never held it within 2 feet of his mouth, and people could never hear me.
They make microphones though. Some have a cone, some have a broader.
Yeah,
base,
I tried those ones. They suck ass. So here, I put you.
Yeah,
up
if they let everything in behind you and stuff, that could be an issue.
Shit. All right, look, Mike. Well, you're live. So say hi to everybody. They're going to be filing in here.
What's up, everybody? Unbeknownst to my brother, we have a behind-the-scenes bet that he's only going to cuss 2 times during this live and no more.
All right.
So we're going to see what happens.
You 100% fucking lost on that one.
Oh, come on!
I don't think so, my brother.
What if this is all? There's some under 18-year-old traders out there.
Then they can go to a different site.
Really got to be 18 years and older to be in a site?
I took it on TikTok and YouTube actually. Yeah, I don't allow children. They're blocked on YouTube actually.
Oh, okay. Okay. So anybody under 18?
Over 18
is not allowed.
Yeah, under 18 is not for children.
It's not for children. Okay.
Nope.
All righty then. Well, you heard it here.
Now the name of our talk tonight, Uncle Mike, is based off of something you said. I have it on the YouTube links. I have it on the thing. It says, if you don't want stress, trade long-term trades, per Mike, my brother. So.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Let's talk about it. Can we talk about it?
Well, let's see. Can we?
All right, as long as everybody here, they're still climbing in. We got to wait for people to climb in.
At least say hi to everybody.
Hey, what's going on? I can't see their names. I'm just looking at the bottom of my phone.
Okay, well, I'm actually just getting TikTok up and running too, so just keep on rolling.
Okay, well, here's the deal. I'll repeat myself, and no, I don't have dementia, but here's the thing. Trading like I used to trade. Let's just talk the craziest I've ever traded. This is driving my brother nuts. 5 seconds. I traded down at the 5-second level, and it was fast and furious. It was exciting for a minute. But then after you lose more than you win, obviously it's time to move on. So then, come to 1 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 15-minute 1 hours. But you have to look. You have to be there. You better not walk away. You walk away, you do that, that's a cardinal sin. You're going to lose, hands down. So, but what if you stay and you look and you got, depending on, you're looking at the trade, is it going to make, is it a W? Is there an M in the middle of the deck? Is it a double top? Is it a triple top? And it's nuts. I mean, for me, a lot of stress. You can win because ultimately you know where it's going to go, but you see a lot of red. Anybody see a lot of red? Red means stop, means warning, means stress, means you might not want to be there. So what's on the other side of the coin? What's on the other side of those trades? Well, it turns out, which I didn't understand until real recently, weekly dailies. Yeah, primarily. And oh my gosh, what a difference a day makes. A daily trade makes. It's incredible. It really is. I mean, you don't have to look at the trade every minute. You don't worry about what's coming up. It's you know where it's going to go. You jump in, and the only difference I have to say this, because I used to go in with some big lots, minis and whatnot, like 4 or 5 minis, and now you got to go down to 0.01s. You don't have to. Depends on your bank, right? What you got bankrolled in there. But I'm 0.1, 0.1, 0.2 because this is still new for me, and but I just closed out gold today, $100. 2 days ago, I closed it out at 50. The same trade, I opened up 2. So I closed out at 50. I thought that's pretty cool. And I let the second one run. It ran up to 100. Today, I just closed it out. I just went into a silver trade. Today, it's already in the money. I'm going into a platinum trade. It was $5, $10 off, and now it's just 50 cents off.
Awesome,
so they're already coming. The point is, I'm not looking till tomorrow. I'm sleeping like a baby through the night, right? And the red that I see, if I see any red, it's like $5. So I don't know about you, but I mean, if $5 is still money, I get it. But if you can't look at $5,
because yesterday when I saw you had 5 winning trades open at one time, and you were like
5
taking a
trades.
shower.
That's right.
Like, what are you doing? And he's like, no, I'm doing dailies. I was like, what? I was so proud.
Yeah, I'm doing dailies. Yeah, they're all. Yep. So I closed most of those. Oh, take that back. Check this out. 2 of those 5 today closed by themselves because I moved them up into profit, right? So I wasn't, think about that. Those all of them I moved into profit. 2 of them didn't close yet. 2 of them didn't close. 2 of them did. The point is, how about knowing that you can go to bed on a trade, and even if the world collapses, you're in money.
Well, that's true. If you lock it in, that's true.
You're locking in, right? Even if whatever the stock takes a fall, whatever. You know, one time I was in this is hilarious. I think I was in wheat, and some farmers sold a bunch of wheat or something, like millions of pounds or something. The damn thing just shot up because there was a scarcity. Or they burned, fields burned or something. It was a bad thing, but it made the wheat more valuable. And that thing rocketed and shot me because, of course, I was in a cell. At the time when there was no FMOC or nothing like that. It was just spontaneous, 500,000 acres burned of wheat.
That is kind of funny.
Yeah, isn't it funny and hilarious? But guess what? If I locked in profit, right, then it wouldn't have mattered, right? Because it doesn't matter. You're already in money. It goes south. It doesn't matter. So it's a beautiful feeling. I highly recommend it.
Cool. Definitely. So let's go ahead from the beginning because some of them are just here now. There's quite a few people. Good evening to everybody. On the phone with my brother, Dr. Mike Grego. I would say that he's forgotten more things about health than most doctors ever learn. That's how good he is. So excellent doctor, excellent chiropractor, genius doctor, very good brother, best brother you can have.
And naturopath. Don't forget the
naturopath. Yes. And we're on the phone with him. Usually he's live with us, but he's too lazy to come over to the house.
Yeah, you live so far away.
Know,
okay.
Right? But he's here on the phone with us this evening. Hi, BCM on TikTok. Hi, a lot of people on TikTok. What's up, LT on YouTube? And Warren, and LT says hi, Mike, and Warren says,
what's up, LT?
Kim is here, and Kim Candle Envy Lady says, hi, Mike. Good evening, Tony Villalobos.
I always think of Lawrence Taylor, when you say LT. You can't believe that man changed the game when he was in.
Yeah, I know, amazing. Right?
I'm sorry, go ahead.
And Anthony Villalobos. Tony's the one who has 4. Let me go over here. I'm going to go over to Discord. He has 4 drawouts from his funded account. 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. If I'm not mistaken, he just made another over 3,000 he can draw out today. So he's already has 4. So this is about every 10 to 14 days, Mike. It took him about a year to get here, and he's using the snipers, what gave him his boost of what he needed. And he's
what trade is he making? What trade is it? 15-minute 1 hours? You know what he's trading?
Oh, I don't know if this fellow's done. Hold on, Mike. Can you keep talking to everybody real quick? And then I gotta go. I'm gonna talk to the car guy. Hold on.
Okay, so basically, I have to reiterate again without leaving myself open to dementia. What we have is I was actually trading down to the 5 seconds at one point. It was exciting. It was fast. It was furious. And then I was winning, and then I was losing. And so I went up to the 1 minute, 5 minutes. And then I really like the 15-minute 1 hours. But couple things. Number one, you saw a lot of red. I saw a lot of red. Maybe you didn't. I did. I saw red. That was going to go where it was going to go, but I had to eat, it wasn't direct. It wasn't a stair step to heaven, right? So I had to see a lot of red. And red doesn't really make me comfortable. Maybe it does you. I don't know. But the point is, seeing a lot of red, waiting for the trade, having to be there. You can't walk away. You ever walk away on a trade when you had 15 minutes or less? You're crazy. Yeah, please don't do that. It's not going to end well. So anyhow, you got to stay there. You got to eat some red. You got to wait for it. You got to look at it. You got to. And Kevin, I've always looked at the lower time frames too to see okay, what are we going down there? But but the point is, it was stress. It was stressful. I didn't understand the higher time frames. I thought they took too long. I thought it wasn't worth it. I didn't understand them. Boy, was I wrong. Yesterday, I had 6 trades open. 6 trades, long-term trades. They're all in the money. 4 of them, I locked in profit. So even if I went to bed, they were going to close. 2 of them closed today without me even looking, but I was already in the money. So it's okay. Today, I closed gold, $100. And again, you got to remember, these are 0.02s and 0.01s because I have a little bank in there. I run about $5,000. in the account. That's how much 2 to 5 grand. Right now is $5 in there. The point is this: I don't feel comfortable yet because it's still new. So me a 0.01, 0.02, but I'm still pulling out $50. I pulled out $50 yesterday, same goal because I opened up 2. The first one I came out at 50. The second one now is 100. 100 a day, so it's 150 in 2 days. The other 2 are in the money. I just opened up a silver buy. That's in the money. Platinum as well. That's right there at it's $1, $2. That's the other thing. Oh my gosh, when I'm negative, what I'm looking at $5, $2, $1.
But you have the opportunity to make hundreds of dollars.
Yeah, hello. So and again, and I don't look at it every day. Where's the stress at? I'm sleeping at night, waking up when I want to, flipping on. Oh yeah, there it is. The pink line's not all the way to the top yet. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, it's it's at $100. Okay, I'll lock in 50 of it. Boom. I walk. I go away. I do my day, and the goal is to get one closing every day at $100 or more. Right. So I'm at $500 for the week, whatever. Boom. A couple $1,000s a month, and I'm good. It may someday, if you really want to get out there. What do they call it? What's the word now that people use when people throw around big money?
Oh, I don't know.
What do they call them? Ballers?
They're called jerk-offs, but go ahead.
Well, I mean, if you got the account, if you're throwing around them, you can put in 10, 20, 50 grand, whatever, and then you can start throwing in a half lot, one full loss or something. You can, then, you can roll with it because it'll still end up in the same place, but your $5 negative is going to be $500 negative, right? And it's going to, I don't know how I'm a little uncomfortable with $500 in the negative. It's something you got to work on. It's just a mindset. The computer doesn't care. All right, the computer doesn't care. It has no emotions. So.
Okay, well, thank you for all sharing all that, Mike. Does anybody have questions for Dr. Mike about what he's doing? Congratulations, Dr. Mike. I agree with you on the higher time frames. See, there you go, stress-free trading. I look at the higher time frames and execute my entries on the 1 minute. That's Tony now. That's a different trading style he's using. Not quite what we're talking about, Tony, but it works for him. Do not.
Well, because Tony's probably balling. He's got the big lot sizes on there, and I can see that. But no, you don't need to. It's a smaller lot size. It doesn't matter. $5, $10. Who cares? You know where it's going to be. You know where it's going.
Right. Yep.
At the end of the day, you know where it's going. $100 on gold. It was a 0.01 and a 2,400 now, whatever. Right. Yeah. So I made $1 a pit. That's it. So it was $100 though. What the hell?
Which is, by the way, that is a shit ton on gold. That is an absolute staggering amount to win.
Yeah.
So that's fantastic. Yes. Now let's go ahead and talk about what type of trade. So I don't know if you've seen many of my lives recently, Mike, but I'm pulling out now so people can have a good laugh at this. What I do is I show them how a chart looks with all indicators removed. It's a raw chart. It's a TradingView starting chart. And all it is some red and green candles, if they even do that. Sometimes they do the black and white. So that's it. So if you imagine trading a chart that has no indicators on it on a weekly or a daily chart like you're doing. Is that insane?
Can I imagine doing that on a daily, weekly?
Could you win? Could you win on it with none of my indicators on there?
I'm silly. I'm being silly.
Oh, I got that for a second there. I was going to have to call my own brother out.
What is he talking about? Of course not. How would you know where you're at?
I don't know. I'm asking. So what do you?
It would be 100% gambling. That's all you're doing. You're gambling at that point because you have no idea where you're at.
What's up, Larry? What's up, Julio?
That would be the same thing as going down to the 5 second. It's doing 5 second trades. Might be exciting for a second or two, but after that, you lose so much, it's not fun anymore.
Okay. So here's what we do. Then I pull up the chart that we have, and with the signals on it, and then the green, red, green, buy stop on it. Then we compare the two: US 30 without anything on the left, US 30 with everything on the right, including the sniper. And then I kind of go, which one? And Mike's obviously going to choose the one, but I was like, well, holy shit, what the hell are we talking about? But if you were going to do trade US 30 and you're going to have nothing on your charts, or you can have this particular green, 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 red, green pattern going with the sniper, including a signal telling you when to enter the trade, by the way. So there's a line there with a signal. I don't know if you can see that. Which one would you prefer to have, Mike?
I want the no-brainer.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a no-brainer. Why are you going to tell me exactly? Just going to tell me what to do. Exactly.
What does green mean up in our business, Mike?
That's a buy stop.
So green, well, green means up, red means down.
Yeah,
so,
green, red, green is buy stop.
Right. And that's your buy. Looking at it on US 30 as you're thinking. When it says buy stop and there's a green signal line saying buy stop, does that mean sell stop or buy stop? Okay, so that means a buy, and that means it will. So in this case, on just taking the signal service now, not even doing your own thing, just trusting the signal service, you would have made 2,618 pips. Since, yeah, great, it gets better. Since June the hold on, I gotta get rid of this. June the 7th. So in 2 weeks.
So that's the first time the pink pulled away.
Is it the first time?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
I don't know. It's a daily. So I have to now go back over to my other.
It sounds like it. Holy crap! So you timed it on the first time and you ride it. You let it ride. Shut one
no,
down,
it does much more on regular than that, actually. So yeah, no, that's. I would say probably not the first time.
2,000?
Yeah, that's nothing for US 30 or even NAS. No, it wasn't the first time. The first time was back here. We're on NAS. That's not true. I was just looking at US 30, but I'll do NAS for you. Now I want to go back to some fun. So let's go back to the very first time.
Oh my God, that's insane! 2,000.
This isn't even the first time either, by the way. You're on the first time. So on US 30, you're still in the middle of it. But this first time, the actual first time, there was a signal call by the signal service. To be clear. Oh shit, I can't see it. It went up 3,100 pips. The second time was just slightly less. The second time,
yeah, only 2,000.
2,000.
That's insane, brother. That's retirement.
2,500 the second time for US 30.
You put a 0.05 on that. Oh, you would be retired. Again.
Well, it can be happening all the time. Yeah. Now, NAS, on the other hand, the very first time it did it for the signal service was back a good bit right here. So you're looking from here to here for NAS. Obviously, remember, NAS doesn't give you as much, but it is.
But on futures, it's 4 to 1.
5,800.
Oh my God! Multiply that by 4. 20,000.
24,000.
If you're trading China or whatever trading on futures, it's 4 ticks to a pip. So every time it moves 1 pip, there's 4 ticks underneath that. So that's 4 times 5,000, 20,000. Okay, let me know when that. Tell me the signal service again.
Signal service, baby, but they don't need it. I was trying to show them how it evolved from nothing on your charts, having the green, 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 red, green, green on your chart, $575 for the year, and then having the sniper added on there for about, well, it's crazy, 50 a month, so you can get your good entries. And then if they still can't get it, there's a signal service that literally is drawing a line, telling you when to get it, sends it out to your email, to your phone. Technically goes into Discord, and then you guys do the other part to your own stuff. Yep.
Well, can it be any more spoon-fed?
Hoping not, because I used to think I couldn't do better than like the 7 colors, the green, green, red, green, green thing. But then I made it to the sniper, which is added on 2 more, which is just basically 4 of them entire time frame. Then we made the signal service with air to arrow with the freedom indicator, and now we're giving them the free upgrade to the signal service, which is just one line. They can do
market order.
Yep. Market
Well, as soon as you get the signal, you can go right in. Oh my God.
Now remember, every noise you're making is being amplified times 100. Mike.
Oh, my
So
bad.
I'm gonna have to either cut you or we're gonna have. You're annoying me. I can. Okay. All right, Mike. Well, thank you very, very much, my brother. Does anybody have any questions for my brother, Mike? Dr. Mike Grego?
Comments?
Please ask them.
When in doubt, go on. Too much stress. If you're sleeping at night, you're using too much. I had a weekly daily, so you can go to sleep. Go to sleep and wake up in this, a little bit of money. It's a nice feeling. It really is. Definitely different. All right.
All right, Mike. Well, thank you, my brother, very, very much.
Welcome.
All right. I'll call you when we're all done, Mike. All right. God bless. All right. That was my brother, Mike. Super nice fellow. Has been trading for a while. He kind of was a little hesitant to get up into the higher time frames, but now he loves them. Yeah, well, I did say hi to Dr. Mike. Good evening, George. All right. I think I remember something from earlier today. Let me get the microphone by me here. Here we go. Back with a close microphone. What's up, peeps? No, baby, no. Here. I remember there was FOMC today. I remember calling it out way earlier. It was around 10 or something like that, 10:30. And I remember saying I wish it would pull down on US 30, then come back up. And what do you know? What do you know? Gotta show you. What do you know? Gotta show you. Gotta show you. What do you know? Let's take a look at my call of FOMC, which I called out yesterday too, by the way. Actually came true. I don't know. Let's see what we shall see. What do we see? What do we see? What do we see? Let's go over to US 30. Let's go over to the 1 hour chart. Let's go ahead and pull this down so we can see a little bit. And let's scoot this over a little. Da. Today is the 31st. Well, it was, should say. Look, buy stop again for you guys, by the way. Let me see what time this movement up was. 2100. 2100 in Forex time. 2 p.m. So let's take a look at the 1 hour chart and let's take a look and see what happens. All right. I said before there I want to pull down and then I want it to go up. Well, let's see. Just off the 2 o'clock time, the candle actually went up from here to here. It went up almost 200 pips. So my call out for FOMC at 10 o'clock in the morning and the day before for US 30 specifically worked out perfectly. Did any of y'all catch that money? Did any of y'all see that? Did any of y'all actually get some money off? I'm gonna be the one and only. Got to thank God for everything. Anybody make some money? Because I do believe actually in our Discord, let's see. I think we had some people talking. They weren't talking in the right area, by the way. Let's see. They were talking in. No, where were they talking at? Wasn't a learner. I don't think it was Sniper, wasn't it? Yeah, it might have been. FOMC, here we go. All right. We're looking for the pullbacks. What time is FOMC? There we go. There we go. It was kind of a bummer. It didn't do much, but it did go up. Launch off Tarot never saw Such a boring FOMC. Not that. Blah 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 blah. Okay, here we go. This is FX Wolf. FX Wolf did 32.35 basically 3 times. Congratulations. I think that is Tony. Drew said he did good. God bless. Oh, gold, baby. Just cranking. Thank you, Kevin. MRV, Dream Night, John Parker. Okay, so there you go. So there's a few people that actually took the trade. I see. That's good. Good evening, Janet. Kim the Candle Enemy said, yes. Yay, Kim. Congratulations, Kim. All right. Thank you, Dr. Mike, for coming on again, by the way. Can't thank my brother enough. He's learning the value of higher time frames. Let's see. Fresh so silly. Fresh so silly. All right. So, yeah, there was some more too. Sorry. So, FOMC was very easy. Then we had a huge pullback. I see right here. Let's look at something. This is US 30. Oh, take that motherfucking buy. Take that buy. Where are we at? Yeah, buy stop. US 30, 1 hour. Hell fucking yeah. Take that buy. They just gave me free money when they pulled that back. It looked like free money, but it wasn't. We're going to stay in US 30, by the way, and let me be clear on this. I'm in a US 30 trade still. My NAS trade has been closed down. I'm in a US 30 trade and a buy, 0.02. I'm up 3,200. That doesn't matter. More importantly, I'm up 1,600 pips from a trade on 710 right before open. I did this trade live with you. Up 1,600 pips plus on a US 30 trade. And why is this? How is that possible? I called for a buy stop. Make this all, you know. I called for a buy stop right here on 724. Right here was the buy that was called out and traded out with you and drawn out with you. Then we called for another buy stop here. Then we called for another buy stop. Let's clear this because this looks a little iffy. Let me put this to the left. Okay. Then we called another buy stop on 625, 621, 620. And this one was, I believe, 6.3. Daily, weekly buy stop. So how was I able to call out trade after a freaking trade from here all the way up to here? 2,800 pips once. Add on to the next call out right here. 2,400 pips twice. So that's 5,200. 2 more call outs right here on 625. There's double up here. So that's 6,200 plus 5,000, 4,200 would be 10,300 pips. No, I'm not exaggerating. I'm just showing you what was called out and traded live with you. So we're over 10,000 pips plus another 2,000 pips, 1,800 pips, plus another, so that's 12,000 pips, plus another 1,300. I'll just put 1,000. So we made 13,000 pips live trading, live call outs on US 30. And we're not even done. We have to wait for our pink line to come all the way back up and touch the blue line. And all these trades have been called out while this has been going up. This is a weekly, daily buy stop. And this is a new call for you guys. Play any 15-second, well, I'll call the 15-second later. Play any 3-minute through 12-hour buy stop on US 30 and NAS and SPX until the US 30 pink line daily comes up and touches the blue line. Hope I'm clear on that. And that is your call out for this evening. Kev, you said it happened on the 4-hour to watch the 2 p.m. and thank you very much. It got me some. I got me some. Nice, Larry Cooper. That is correct. They'll release the news either on a 2-hour/4-hour, but normally, especially FOMC, it's a 4-hour, 2 o'clock news. And yeah, that's what's up. What's up, Brian? Andrew, FOMC didn't stand a chance. That I agree with. Yes, sir. What's up, Andrew? I missed you. How's sound on YouTube? Not TikTok. It's as good as it's going to get. How's the sound on YouTube, by the way, guys? I'm holding the microphone close. Well, not holding, but I have the microphone super close to my mouth. I have a little microphone boom coming. I have these little plastic covers so you won't hear my spit and everything so clearly. I hope the sound is good on YouTube, though. All right, so this is the US 30 call out, NAS call out, and SPX call out. Now, let me see if I can get us some easier money, though, quickly right now. We hit it. 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Oh, 10 seconds, too. No way. What? No shit. Okay, well, let me see something then. Hold on. We might be in our pull down phase. Look and play any 5-second, 10-second sell stops on NAS and SPX to NAS's and SPX 5-second blue line. Just look for it. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm saying just check for it. Keep an eye out for it. Let me see my scanner real quick. US. So this is NAS 30-minute. Let's see. NAS 30-minute. The only one not there. Oh, yeah. Look at this fucking gorgeous thing. Look what you guys need to do. Wow. Wait till we get this scanner signal going for you. Look. The only one that's not green. You want to know how easy things are to trade? The only one that's not green is the NAS 30-minute. And look what it did. It's gone and kissed it. Close enough. It's called an H&H scanner. Look at this shit. There it is. You guys could have played NAS from here all the way up to here. If you thought for 1 second FOMC was going to go down, that was a bunch of bullshit and lies. I told you it was going to go up, told you where it was heading to, and there it is. Look at that. There's your scanner showing the only thing. I mean, my goodness. How much more direct can you have a system tell you what to do? Everything else is green. This is going to turn green. Hello? And guess what? There it goes. Touches up and kisses it. Ding, ding, ding. There's our winner. Yeah, it might pull back, Tony. Sound good, sound good, sound good. Good. Excellent. All right. My brother, Dr. Mike, was on earlier. He was telling you about the greatness of these daily, weekly trades and how much he's enjoying them now. Stress-free. I've never seen him so stress-free about trading. Oh, my goodness. It's the easiest thing on earth. He called out a couple for you, trying to give you guys some hints, but I don't know if you understood what he was telling you. This is copper. Okay. This is platinum. Weekly, daily buy stop on platinum. I know he said he's already in the money on it. And there it is. I mean, you could look at these things for USD, JPY. You can pick any symbols you want. Any silver. I think silver was another one, actually. Yeah. Silver and gold. This is beautiful. Daily buy. Yep. This is my weekly day. Now, this is too low. This is where I can't check the charts enough. This should have been brought down to here and in money now, but whatever. I'll keep it up there for argument's sake. That's bullshit. Rule number 7 is you move it down as it goes down. All right. Anybody on TikTok have a question? So stress-free trading isn't the 1 minute, 30 seconds, 5 minutes. Stress-free trading is the daily, weekly. Using the sniper or not, really needed at this level, or using the signal service again, which you don't need, but worked out perfectly. You can clearly see here. Silver went from services, whatever that is, $1, $2 up an ounce, which is huge for silver, don't forget. Yep, works on Amazon, works on stocks. Yep. By the way, told you buy stop 725 right here. This is my buy stop line for a daily, weekly buy. I had it right here on Amazon when it was at 182, whatever it is now. It's up $5 a share. The signal service called it out once, called it out twice. Third time, it's not in position yet to make that call. No, it's not down low enough. That's why I didn't make the call. These buy lines you see right here literally tells you buy with an up green arrow. The freedom indicators work perfect. Work perfect. You can put them on your charts. These you can't put on your charts, but these almost, where is it at? Almost holy grail trades are going to all go into this room for everybody. Everyone in tier 2 and tier 1 and tier 3. Tier 1 gets 10 free signals of these almost holy grail trades a month, added on to everything else you've already gotten. Tier 2 gets 20 holy grail trades a month, and tier 3 gets unlimited almost holy grail trade demo trades a month. Period. That's what you guys get. We're giving you this free upgrade. And I don't care how many times haters out there say there's nothing for free. This is a free upgrade from Bree and I. Oh, watch. Nice. 4,400 is great. And this is a free upgrade from Bree and I. Just all I'm going to tell you guys. There's a call outs I make live for you with Amazon. Yes, it works on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. XRP is a buy, and I don't give a fuck what anyone tells you. I've been saying that since 31 cents. And I'll keep saying it until it goes up to where I feel like it's a fair number. And it isn't here. What I consider a fair number would be somewhere around $1.50. I prefer it to do something around $3.32, however. All right. I think we're golden. On the sniper, oops, I was asking. I like to ask 30-minute. No. On the sniper, you said the pink line meets the blue line. Yes. On the dailies and the weeklies, it eventually will. Yes, sir. It's exactly true. Exactly true. Marcus Mike Jones. Weekly daily USD very nicely. Let's look at the weekly daily. USD JPY. Where is that one at? I thought it was up high, maybe not. There's a lot of them out there. There's so many. Like Mike said, USD JPY. Dr. Mike, my brother, was telling you that, yeah, it's almost ready. Put your buy stop right here. I'm going to give you another freebie, even though I'm really getting pissed about these scam fucks. It is USD JPY. Why? Because we love you. FOMOP, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, forever, ever, ever in the sky. Buy stop weekly daily. Da 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 da. And here we go. So we're going to tag this one in right here. As soon as that comes back up, which it will very soon, hold the trade, and I'll show you again how long you hold the trade for. To have more baby bops. So let's show you how long we'll hold this trade for. This trade will be held until This pink line down here hooks and comes up and touches this blue line on your sniper. If you can't see where I'm pointing to, don't ask me which fucking line when it's clearly the sniper blue line I'm talking about. There's some person out there that's really starting to go into that shit. But anywho, I stop. USD JPY, weekly, daily. Enter off the daily red line, or I would. You can enter off any line you'd like. Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. Hold me up and high. MOUSE, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Sorry, guys. You guys have to deal with me because I can make correct call after correct call. I read these charts like reading a book. I don't know why. I was talking to Basil tonight, one of my children, Katie and Basil, and I was talking to them and saying, hey, I hope you guys have the Grego sight of the charts. I don't know why I've been blessed. They both answered and said, oh, you have over, like 10,000 hours on the charts. You got probably closer to 20,000 hours. But that, you could just see it coming from miles and miles away. Yep, miles and miles. Now that would be nice. Trump getting rid of the federal income tax would be fucking nice. Now that would be, that would be historic. That would be life-changing. We're not talking politics here. I'm not voting for anyone. Don't fucking talk to me about politics. That signal should fire off at the end of the week. Oh, we don't know. You have to be patient. Sometimes these signals, look, this tiny little bit right here. Some of these signals maybe take 4 days, 5 days. Oh, sorry. These are weeks. 4 or 5 weeks to fire off. Sometimes it could be 3 or 4 or 5 days. Most of the times it's within, I would say within 3 days to maybe 10. But some of the gold trades and oil trades can take 31 days to fire off. You never know. But is it going to go up from there? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Keep following it down. It'll flip. Up she goes. You don't have to be this close. You'll be up at the yellow line. When it goes up, it's going to go up past this. That's what it's going to do. I put in 1,000 to play with last year just to probably lose it for learning things. But I did buy AST. Seems good today. Okay, DP, I'm proud of you. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, but I'm glad you made money. You're welcome, Marcus. What's up, LD? You have an LD and we have an LT. What's up, Joseph? You in a buy. Am I in a buy? I'm in one trade in this small account right here. This is the trade I have open. I guess you missed that from this earlier this segment. It's from 7:10, right before market open. I did this US 30 buy live, and I'm up 1,600 pips. Plus. And I'm not closing that trade down until. Let me go back to US 30 and I'll show you. Until US 30 finishes going up, which it's almost there now technically. Until the pink line right there goes up and touches that blue line. It's close, but not quite there. And besides, now I'm going to hold until this daily pink line touches this blue line off the sniper. Right, like that. It'll go back up. Just like the weekly has. That's why we're up 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 pips. Thousands of pips, by the way. That isn't hundreds. I'm telling you thousands. And we held it all the way up, just like this. These orange little things are all my buy lines in. Yep. These little green lines are automatically generated through the algorithm, through code of the great Palmer. Buy and a buy. Boop, boop. There'll be another one issued off here very soon, actually. I'm just telling you because I made the code. The order of operations is me. It's how I trade. So I'm going to hold this US 30 until it goes up. By the way, just to be clear, Play any 3-minute through 12-hour buy stop, US 30, NAS, and SPX until the daily sniper pink line goes up and touches the blue line. And if you want, close one down and let it run. That's what I did, by the way. I noticed the 4-hour, there's a buy stop, or it's almost on every beginning of the month. Just an observation. Well, yeah. DP, don't keep talking about shit here. We don't care what that stock is. That's not how we trade. Do not bring up any specific stocks. Don't bring up anything. We're exactly how we trade here. You follow the rules, you follow the system. We don't give two fucks of what one stock is, what one news is, what Bitcoin's doing. We don't give. That's not how you trade. That's how people who do not know how to trade. Yeah, beginning of the month, though they can't have. They do the 4-hour trades a lot, where they move things on the 4-hour candles. They'll do a wick or they'll do a buy up or whatever. But again, I don't teach that either. It's just something a little too advanced. No, I am learning. That's good, DP. Good. Yeah, just don't bring up any specific stocks. We're not playing that game here. Let's take a look at gold, by the way. All right, here's daily gold. I told you all I told you all since, let's be clear, June the 24th, since June the 20, well, probably around the 24th. We can go back and watch those. Play any buy stops you can from 3-minute to daily until this weekly pink line goes up and touches the blue line. Matter of fact, not only did I tell you that, I was in a couple gold trades, and you heard my brother was in a couple gold trades also, by the way. Daily gold buy stop 725.24. Move down with price action. Daily buy stop gold. So from 725 to be exact, like my brother was telling you, the gold buy right here would have been in at 2,373, and whatever the fuck it went up to. 2,446, $60 an ounce, $70 an ounce. I don't know, whatever that is. This is the last call out I made for gold. And there it is. And they're in the money as of today. I've been telling every one of you to take that demo trade for, right at a week now. There you go. I know Mr. C takes that gold trades all day long. But try to stay in these higher time frames. One of our members is so cute. They have their logo. They put the logo right here on their charts. Remember, only to trade the buy stop logo. See how it looks. Oops, how easy it is. And this, I think it's a great idea. I think you all should do that, by the way. I haven't made it into a rule yet, but I will. All right, here's another freebie. Play any 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour, and daily buy stop until gold's weekly blue line goes up and touches its pink line, goes up and touches this blue line. And that's your answer for gold. Now, overnight, they might drop it down. Let's take a look and see where we're at on their drop down. Nothing I want to participate in. Yeah. Play any short-term sell, 5-second, 10-second, 15-second sell to the 10-second blue line. Yeah, I think it's going to go down there overnight. Very high. But you just said it's going to be about, that's how you get the 1, 2, 3, 4 hour, 5 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour buys, is by having it go down on the smaller time frames. I don't understand. Buy the system, you will. Watch your training videos, you will. I was about to ask how you got the logo in the background. Oh, right here, you go over to this thing. Are you on? Yeah, you're on YouTube. Come over to here, and you're going to see this image thing that you can choose from. See where it says text and all this? Go to image. Click on it. Choose your image and put the logo that you can grab from the internet and drop it down on there. Well, matter of fact, I mean, I can do it for gold if you want. Let's go over to here. Choose your image. Dark logo is one I chose. And then you can make it as, shadowed out as you want, transparency as you want. And then I always make it really big so I can see it. And then someone was trying to help me with the lockdown feature, but I don't think I ever got quite there yet with that thing. It doesn't really. I'm just going to lock it, I think, like that. And there it goes. And there is your logo. So you remember to only trade the up green arrow and the red down arrow. I think it's a fantastic idea from one of our members. I really would give him credit, but I actually don't remember his name at the moment. Cash outs were successful. Okay. Easy peasy trading. Look at how easy this gold is. Look at this trades. Filled it in a gap. By the way, we got a lot more buys to go through. A lot more buys to get through. You're going to have a ton of buys on gold over the next several, least days, probably weeks. How beautiful. What a simplistic, easy system to do. I put on here, sounds so corny. My system can help you make consistent profits through trading. Yeah, it's the only thing that can, by the way. Works on over 1,000 trading view symbols, including futures. Yep. Trade with any broker you like. Yep. Tier 3 signals get all the indicators and unlimited signals for the Holy Grail trades and almost Holy Grail trades. If you want to buy it or more information, go over to safetytrade.com. YouTube is safetytrade. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Very easy night. I'm not in the mood to really go into too much. Sync globally and look to be saved on all symbols. LT. You're welcome. Sync globally and lock it to be saved on all symbols. Sync. Okay, let's. Oh shit! I put one on somewhere I probably shouldn't have. Hold on. Yeah, I think we have two on here now. Let me take this one off. There we go. So let's see. Sync globally, and it's locked. Yeah, but I still don't think that brings it over to other symbols. That only brings it to the A symbols. Oh, and don't forget to save it. Shit. Save it. Sync globally. Lock. Really? Where's the save thing at? Well, where's the damn save button at, bro? Sync globally. Lock. Save it as a template. Apply to default. Oh shit. Nope, not what we wanted there. Hold on. Oh, good. Didn't take it everywhere. That's funny. Not quite what I was looking for there. Let me unlock that. No, we don't want that, right? How the hell do I edit this thing now? Jesus. Yeah, I suck at TradingView. Trust me, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to choose that stuff again. That'll work. Sync globally. Lock. The only thing I don't see is the damn save button. Maybe that's just one symbol. Yeah, I think it is. It does it throughout one symbol, but that's it. visibility. Oh, how cute. That'll work. Good enough. All right. So, anywho, and that's our gold. I love this shit. By the way, just so we're all clear, we have a new Discord room for everybody that's in the Signal service, tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3. You all have access to it. Just refresh your Discord. It's there. It says, welcome to the Almost Holy Grail Trades demo only room. This will be firing off signals starting up Monday of next week. These are direct market order execution signals, demo only. That means when the signal comes up, you can take the order. The freedom indicator is unbelievably accurate, but tier 1 and tier 2 people had to count their entrances, and it drove me nuts. Tier 3 has it on their chart, so you guys can just look and see. Tier 1 and tier 2 didn't. So I said, I got to make tier 1 and tier 2 signals much more easy to use. So then I made this room up. Keith coded this signal up, and this signal is market order execution. So that means when it fires, you go get it in your Discord room, right? You take the demo signal immediately and you hold it. As a matter of fact, we're working on getting an exit out for you guys to tell you at what possible exit to close down one of your trades and let one run. And that's what we're doing. If you're in tier 1 signals, you're paying $150 a month for the signals, $150 a month for the sniper, and you're going to get 10 additional on top of every other signal you get. You're getting 10 additional almost holy grail signals. Tier 1. Tier 2 for your $250 a month and $150 a month for your sniper. You're getting 20 if there are 20. You're getting almost holy grail trade signals, only 20 of those. Tier 3, you're getting unlimited almost holy grail signals. And to be clear, the holy grail signals are going to be called out for US 30, gold, EURUSD, GBP, JPY, and Bitcoin. Also, when we get the signals to go out for the holy grail trade, the trade that shall not miss unless God wants it to, NAS and SPX are in that room only. Those also direct market order entry only trades, and those will be for NAS and SPX. All these are free upgrades from Bree and I, doing our absolute best to try to help you guys make a little money with the system. Consistent money, by the way. All right. Any questions from TikTok? My save button is next to the layout button, says LT. Freaking awesome. Yes, it is, LD. That is correct. Any questions from TikTok? Any questions from YouTube? Good Lord. Oh. Good Lord. Cha-ching, says LD. Amen, it is. What's up, little Joe? Good evening, sir. Any other questions, TikTok or YouTube, before I go? Going once. Any other questions for TikTok or YouTube before I go? Going twice. Any other questions for TikTok or YouTube? Speak up now. The basic version does not work in MT4. It doesn't work in MT4, Fave, and it used to, but in MetaTrader 4 doesn't offer support for MetaTrader 4. MetaQuotes quit offering support for MetaTrader 4. So no, it does not work in MetaTrader 4. You only can get the system on TradingView. Correct. You're welcome, Henry Chastain. Non-farm payroll Friday. Oh, nice. Maybe we'll make some money. John, have a great evening. Everybody have a blessed evening. Amen. NFP. We're gonna make some money. Free Money Friday. NFP. I'm sure that's 8:15 or 8:30. Friday. Yay! Thanks for letting me know that. I love trading. I traded FOMC today without any fucking knowledge that what was happening. I should be able to go. It should right of the time frames. Should be up top. Are you talking about just doing a normal save? I'm good. I don't really want to save layout, whatever. Gonna be the. All right, TikTokers. God bless y'all. Have a very good weekend. LT, thank you for trying. I'm just kind of slow. Have a great evening. God bless everybody. See y'all in the morning, Lord willing. We shall see. Gonna be evenings. All right. See you on TikTok, YouTubers. God bless. See you also. Talk to y'all later. Gonna be in the evenings. Oh, good Lord. Thank you, LT.